What's going on, guys? It's Garfunkel, and I know this video is going to be a little different than any of the videos I posted before. I promise I'm going to get back to playing more video games, more Fortnite, especially with that new update. But I got something in the mail and I kind of wanted to show it with you, and this is a pretty big deal for me because it's something that, not that I've been dealing with for all my life or battling, but something that I've lived with for a while, and that's not having straight teeth. So I've never had braces, never had Invisaligners, so this is my first go at any type of teeth transformation. So I'm super excited. So what I got here is a box for Smile Direct Club. And that's something that you've probably seen on social media. It's been everywhere. They are going crazy with marketing right now. I saw it on social media a while ago, so I thought, I might as well give it a shot. And here it is. So I haven't opened anything. I haven't done anything with this. All I've done is covered my address just in case, But we're gonna open this up together. And I might do some, over time videos kind of showing you the progress. But as for right now, I just kind of wanted to do an unboxing. It's my first unboxing, so I hope it goes well. But I hope you enjoy it. Let's see how it goes. So I got my little Leatherman here. I'm gonna use it to open the box up. And I don't really know what to expect. I know they ship all of their aligners together. Let me go this way so I don't stab myself. I know they ship all their aligners together, and that's something that's totally different than like Invisalign. So you get a giant box with all your aligners in one. So as I open it up here, you can see it just says Smile Direct Club. So we're gonna try to slide this out however we can do it. And it's this nice purple box, and we're just gonna get rid of that. So it says, open for a lifetime supply of confidence. And that's what we're looking for. Well, it's a pretty nice box. Nothing crazy, but it's a good design. So you open it up. We're gonna just prop that up somewhere. And the inside it says, share your smile journey, hashtag what makes me smile. And they got social media everywhere. So as we look in here, it says this fresh batch of smiles was made just for you by BC. So that's their initials. They actually wrote that in. That's pretty cool. Just a little, personal touch that I think a lot of companies do not do. So that's cool. Then we have, I guess we'll just slide this out. This is in some type of cellophane. I just slammed my keyboard so the computer turned on. Looks like we have some teeth whitener. Let's go ahead and open that up too. Just gonna pop a little hole in here. So invisible aligner guide. I guess this is gonna be our instructions. So I'm gonna have to read through this quite a bit. Congrats, your aligners have arrived. Yeah, so it's just this is a step-by-step instruction booklet. So probably gonna leave this to read by myself. I'm not gonna let you guys or have you guys listen to me read that. Chewy's aligner tray seeders. So I'm not sure what this is. Looks like we got some tools, a nail file so we can grind things down a little bit, maybe the edges, because it actually attaches to the gums, and there's no buttons that they attach into. And that's something that's different with these than Invisaligners. So it actually attaches into the gums, and I'm sure if you're getting any wearing at the gums, you can just use this to kind of get rid of that sharp edge. Then we got some more files, more social media, man. They are killing it on social media, so I'm sure that's why they're putting more in here. Then we have, is this Chapstick? What is this? Yeah, we have an EOS Chapstick ball. Smells pretty good. I just touched my nose with it, so that's kind of cool. I didn't expect that. Then we've got our case, it looks like. So for when we need to take them out, I'm not sure how to open it. Childproof, there we go. So just your case, I'm sure I'm gonna be traveling with this quite a bit. especially because you can't eat with them in. So this is what you're going to use to put the aligners in while you're eating or doing whatever that you can't have your aligners in. Bright On Premium Whitening. So this looks like Smile Direct Club's Premium Whitening Gel and Integrated Brush Applicator is designed to deliver brighter smiles to even the most sensitive grins. Man, they've got a way with words. So this is done. And now we get into the actual packaging of the aligners. So it's just a packet. Very interesting. So the way that it works is, oh, they've got the doctor on there. I did not think that would happen. That's cool. So I'm guessing that's the doctor that put the aligners together, took my 3D map of my mouth, put these liners in, and it tells you which month and which week these aligners are for. So I have month 1, week 1, week 2, week 3, and 4, so I'll wear these for 2 weeks. And then it goes into month 2, week 1, week 2, week 3, 4, and then we can pop. This just slides right out. Then we've got another little informative card. Time to order your retainers. So you can get retainers for $99 per set. I'm sure that's going to be a good investment over time because you don't want your smile to go back. So I think it comes with a pair of retainers already, but I'm going to check on that. So let's see if that's in here. So then we have month 3 and month 4. So I'll just slide those out. And that looks like it. Yeah, so let's see if there's more than just month 4. Month 4, week 3 and 4. So that's gonna be it. So I guess my treatment, which I didn't know, is only gonna be a 4-month treatment. And there's nothing left in the box. That's it. So I'll pull this out just to kind of show you. But I think this would be where they would put months 5 and 6, and typically it's a 6-month treatment. So I guess I'm one of the lucky ones that only got a 4-month treatment, but I am not upset about it. But that's it. That's the unboxing. So I will. I'll keep you guys updated with kind of how the journey goes. I'm pretty excited. It'll be interesting. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please check out some of my other videos. Like this video, share it, because I think this is a very cool product that people are going to be interested in. So again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.